Today's topic, uses of potentiometer. The first use is to compare the EMF of cell. To compare EMF of cell. Second one is to determine internal resistance of cell. So now these two are the uses. Compare EMF. आजचा टॉपिक आहे कंपेअर करायचे म्हणजे तुलना करायचे दोन बॅटरीमधला तुलना करायचा आहे EMFचा. EMF म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव्ह फोर्स, म्हणजे हा एक बॅटरीमधला एक EMF असतो. दुसरं त्या सेल, बॅटरी सेल म्हणजे दीज आर द केमिकल सेल. These cells are chemical. So this chemical cell has an internal resistance. So that we have to be determined. So now this one is a second application. Okay. तर परीक्षेमध्ये जर विचारलेलं असेल की 1 किंवा 2 मार्काला की राईट द युजेस ऑफ पोटेन्शियोमीटर म्हणलं 2 तुम्ही लिहू शकता. So out of this, the first one is to compare the EMF of cell. Now see in details. They compare the EMF of cell. To compare the EMF of cell. Now this one is a potentiometer wire stretched on a wooden board. This one is metal strip. A point or B point. A is given to positive of the battery, negative, positive, negative. This one is EMF E. Plug key is connected and a resistance, rheostat. This part is called as a primary circuit. हा प्रायमरी सर्किट आहे. या पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायरला हा बॅटरी E, हा प्लग की K आणि हा रेओस्टॅट जोडलेला आहे. हा व्हेरिएबल रेओस्टॅट इज कनेक्टेड टू B ऑफ द पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायर. आता यामध्ये कंपेअर करायचं आहे टू सेल्स. सो नाव दिस A इज गिवन टू two batteries. This one is a one cell. This one is another cell. And here some keys are there. Here K1 key is attached. Here K2 key is attached. And this is connected to galvanometer G, and this galvanometer is connected with a jockey. So this one is a J point. J is jockey. Now where is it? So now here to compare the EMF of cell, so there are two methods. So the first method is a direct method. First one is a direct method. Direct method किंवा separately method. Direct method or separately method means आता बघा, here EMF E1, this one is a E1 and this one is a E2. First, when you can close this K, current will be flows through the circuit. Now close this K1. This already are closed. Close K1 and take jockey and make a point-to-point contact on the potentiometer wire at a particular point. say this point, so this point is a P point, so A to P, so that is a L1. So this length L1, so that is called as a null point. Null point. Null point. Null point means zero deflection. Zero deflection. Null point means zero deflection. Clear? Null point means zero deflection. So now when you can see about this E1, E2, make a point-to-point contact at a particular point, you will get zero deflection in the galvanometer, in this galvanometer. म्हणजे जर आपण जर असा घेतला galvanometer, so galvanometer is like this. This one is a plus 30 and here 30 and this in between is 0. So pointer will come at this. Zero deflection. Okay. That means what? These 2 points are equipotential. These 2 points are equipotential. So these are corresponds to the EMF. If there is no current, so that is a EMF. Okay. So we know about the equation V is equal to E into E minus I into R. V is equal to E minus I into R. So here there is I is 0. So therefore, V is equal to E. The terminal PD between A to P is a V. Okay, V. So what is V? So VAP is directly proportional to L. That means what? E1 is proportional to L1 EMF of this. Okay, clear? So therefore this E1 is equal to K into L1. Say this one is equation number 1. Now put K1 is closed. First this one was K1 is closed, K2 open, one close, other open, this condition. So now here K1 is open and K2 is closed. So what will happen? So this part conducts. Now again make a point-to-point contact, jockey, from A to B at a particular point. Any point, it may be P or it may be P dash. It may be P or P dash. So that is V in galvanometer you will get 0. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय माहिती आहे का, K1 ओपन ठेवलं, K2 क्लोज ठेवला, मग जॉकी घेतलं A to B पॉईंट टू पॉईंट कॉन्टॅक्ट करत जावा, P पाशी येईल किंवा Pचे थोडं इकडं किंवा इकडं तिकडं तरी येईल त्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉईंटला. आपलं कंडिशन काय, गॅलनोमीटरमध्ये काटा 0 दाखवला पाहिजे. आला तो डिस्टन्स घ्यायचा म्हणजे VAP किंवा AP डॅश. सो दॅट इज अ प्रपोर्शनल टू L2. मीन्स व्हॉट, दिस VAP डॅश मीन्स E2 proportional to L2. So therefore E2 is equal to K into L2. So this one is equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2, divide 1 by 2. So E1 upon E2 is equal to KL1 divided by KL2. So E1 by E2 is equal to, so L1 upon L2. So now with the help of this we can compare the EMFs directly or separate method. Okay, what is L1? For balancing length for first EMF. What is L2? Balancing length for second EMF E2. Clear? समजतं का बघा? Okay. So now this परीक्षेमध्ये एवढं लिहायचं आहे. ओके, याच्यावर परीक्षेमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम विचारण्याची दाट शक्यता आहे. E1 देणार, E2 देत नाही, L1 L2 देणार, फक्त E2 काढायचं आहे. याच्यावर प्रॉब्लेम किंवा MCQ विचारण्याची शक्यता आहे. क्लिअर. Second B part, sum and difference method. So now diagram is, this one is a potentiometer wire, this one is a primary circuit. In secondary circuit, A is given to E1, first battery of positive terminal. Negative is given to positive of second battery, and that negative is given to first terminal of galvanometer. Second terminal of galvanometer is given to jockey. So this combination, positive negative and positive negative, both are in series. So these are the sum method. Sum method. सम अँड डिफरन्स मेथड दुसरा टाईप आहे. यामध्ये काय केलं माहिती आहे का, सेकंडरी सर्किटमध्ये रिप्लेस केलेलं आहे. E1 E2 दोन सिरीजमध्ये जोडलेलं आहे. म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्मिनल इज गिवन टू पॉझिटिव्ह ऑफ E2 दोन जोडल्यानंतर, आणि याचा निगेटिव्ह गॅलनामध्ये दिल्यानंतर जोडल्यानंतर, सो दॅट विल फॉर्म सम. सम म्हणजे का बेरीज होणार EMFची. स्टार्ट. सो नाव हिअर यू कॅन already this key is closed, and make a point to point contact on potentiometer wire at a particular point P. We will get what? A null point. Null point in the galvanometer means zero deflection in the galvanometer. Null point or zero deflection. Null point or zero deflection in the galvanometer तो आहे. आता null point म्हणजे इथं, so now distance A to P. Okay, so VAP is directly proportional to L1. So what is VAP? So this potential difference between these two principles. We know about what is terminal PD. V is equal to E into E minus IR. So here there is no current, I is 0, means V is equal to E. V is equal to E. So what is E? So now this E is in the form of sum method. So E1 plus E2 are directly proportional to L1. E1 plus E2 is directly proportional to L1. Sum method. So therefore E1 plus E2 is equal to K into L1. K into L1. Now we can change this here. This one is a sum method. Here sum method झालं. Now difference method. Now here attach a negative. This one is a difference method. Positive, negative, again negative and positive. This one is a difference method. म्हणजे दोन EMFची काय होणार आहे, वजाबाकी होणार. बघूया आपण. So now same, make a point to point contact on the potentiometer wire at a particular length. So now this point is a P dash. VAP dash is a proportional to L2. What is VAP dash? VAP dash nothing but difference E1 minus E2 proportional to L2. So therefore E1 minus E2 is equal to K into L2. So this one is equation number 2. Divide 1 by 2. So E1 plus E2 divided by E1 minus E2 is equal to K into L1 divided by K into L2. So K get cancelled, so that is L1 upon L2. E1 plus E2 is equal to L1. Okay. So now, so what is our equation? E1 plus E2 upon E1 minus E2 is equal to L1 upon L2 using operation n plus d upon n minus d. What is n? Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. E1 plus E2, okay, plus E1 minus E2 divided by E1 plus E2 minus E1 minus plus E2. आणि इथं काय EL1 plus EL2 divided by EL1 minus EL2. So E1 plus E2 plus E1 2E1, E2 minus E2 0, E1 minus E1 0, E2 plus E2 2E2 is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by L1 minus L2. 2 to get cancel, E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by L1 minus L2. So now this is the final formula. This is the final formula. Alakalaksha. Okay. So in this way we can compare the EMF of cell. अशा रीतीने compare करू शकतो. One is separate method or direct method. Other is a sum and difference method. Sum and difference method. Okay. I used about this principle of potentiometer, potential difference between these 2 points VAP proportional to L. So now here there is no current, means I is 0. So that is what we know. PD is equal to V is equal to E minus I into R. So I is 0. So V is equal to E. So now this one is E. Okay. So just this is for case 1. This is for second case. And then I have taken these two equation in the ratio form. And I used about this component and dividendo and solved it. So I got this. Okay. So now today we can stop here.